Welcome everyone. In this video, I will show you how to display current date and time using C++ program in console-based window. To get the current date and time, we have to refer towards CTime library. CTime library which contains methods to display current date and time. The time function is used to find the current time. The return time of the time function is time_t. Time_t is the data type that can store time. To convert the time_t type variables to a variable that can hold both date and time, local time function is used to convert time_t to a structure that can hold both date and time. It accepts the time function as argument. The data returned by local time function cannot be directly printed to the output screen. So, the ASCTime method will return the date in the following form. Now, let's put all these methods together into a function. This function uses methods of CTime and defines a time_t. This variable is used to hold the current date and time using the time method. The data from this variable is passed to the local time method, whose returned data is passed to the ASCTime method, which returns user representable form and displays it. Now, call this function in main program. I hope you have learned and enjoyed a lot. Thanks for watching.